How to watch F1 in USA. This is how you watch Formula One in the USA in 2026. Big changes happened this year. ESPN no longer carries F1 races. Starting with the 2026 season, Apple TV is now the exclusive home of Formula One in the United States. That means to watch live races and qualifying sessions, you'll need an Apple TV Plus subscription for $12.99 per month. The good news is that a 7-day free trial is available for new subscribers. And if you're already paying for Apple One, Apple's bundle that includes music and iCloud, Apple TV Plus is already included, starting at $19.95 per month. An Apple TV Plus subscription also supports family sharing, so up to 5 people in your household can use it. Now, if you don't want to pay anything, Apple does offer a free option. All free practice sessions are available to watch at no cost in the Apple TV app, and no subscription is needed. Select races may also be available for free, so it's worth checking the app before you buy. You can watch on pretty much any screen: iPhone, iPad, Mac, smart TVs, Roku, Fire TV, and gaming consoles like PlayStation and Xbox. And if you're a DirecTV customer, you can add Apple TV directly through DirecTV and watch F1 without switching apps. If you want an even bigger experience, Apple and IMAX have partnered to show select 2026 Grand Prix races live in theaters across the country, including Miami, Monaco, Silverstone, Monza, and Austin. And that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.